To prepare a construction site in Kenya, follow these steps. Number 1, site inspection. Assess the site to understand its topography, soil conditions, and any potential challenges. Check for legal requirements and permits necessary for construction. Number 2, clearing and demolition. Clear the site of any vegetation, debris, or existing structures that need to be removed. Ensure proper disposal of waste in accordance with environmental regulations. Number 3, surveying. Conduct a land survey to establish accurate boundaries and determine elevations. Number 4, earthworks. Excavate and level the ground as per the construction plans. Ensure proper drainage to prevent water accumulation. Number 5, access roads. Create temporary access roads for construction vehicles and machinery. Number 6, utilities. Identify existing utility lines and plan for any necessary relocations. Set up temporary utility connections if needed during construction. Number 7, security measures. Implement security measures to protect the site from theft and vandalism. Number 8, safety precautions. Establish safety protocols and provide necessary safety equipment for workers. Install fencing and signage to keep unauthorized individuals out of the construction area. For more steps, stay tuned for part 2.